Okay, so it's time for me to cut my hair and bleach it platinum blonde again. And today I'm gonna be trying some new products. I will be trying out Kinks Coils. Before I even cut my hair a year ago, I would see them on the internet, Kinks Coils on the internet. I'm like, okay, when I was like seeing girls do their hair and their pixies and whatnot. And then, you know, I made the decision to try to do my own hair, and there's some influencers that I follow and they were using Kinks Coils, but I had bought so many products and I was like, you know what, let me use the products that I have. I was bleaching my hair before with the Claro Professional products. I'm still gonna be using some of that as far as my developer today, but I was using their bleaching powder. But today, we're gonna be using Kinks Coils, like I said, and I bought their bundle packet. Shouts out to Stefan, I think that's his name, Stefan, because he'll always comment on my stuff and be like, you need to get some Kinks Coils, you need to get some Kinks Coils. So I got the Kinks Coils finally, okay? So we're about to see what it does for me. We're gonna be using the Kinks Coils, the up to level 9 lift. I'm super excited about this because a lot of people say when you use this bleach, it does a great job and you don't have to tone afterwards, so we'll see. So the bundle comes with the bleaching powder, moisturizing shampoo, and a hydrating conditioner. And although I haven't used the bleaching powder for Kinks Coils yet, I have been using the shampoo, conditioner, and the styling foam styler. And I will say it is very moisturizing and I like it. Very hydrating and very moisturizing. Comes with a shine glosser. Besides it being like amazing products so far, the smell, it smells so good. I love products that smell good and do a good job like with your hair, amazing. So now that we have all the products out the way, with the bleaching powder, I will be mixing it with the 20 Developer by Claro Professional. But before we get started with that, I am a girl that will grow my hair out. There's some people will bleach their hair 1 to 2 times a month. I'm not that. I like when I get like that salt pepper type of look. I was thinking of leaving some of the tips on, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't really have the best turnout, so I will be cutting my hair. I'm not gonna go too low today, but we'll see. I like to start off by picking my hair out. So I've been wearing my hair a bit curly. Now that my hair is combed out, my little fro, I hope I'm saying this right. I'm gonna go in with the apogee. And then I'm gonna go in with a number 2 guard. Slap this on because your girl has forgot to put this on before. And let's get into it. Let's cut my hair. All right, so this is the best that I could do to cut my hair down. I have a little bit of remnants of some blonde, but that will just break off when the bleach goes on. I'm not gonna cut too much. I'm happy with the amount that's on my head because, I don't know, I think after this go around, I might be trying to cut my hair out. I mean, grow my hair out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like my hair this color or if I should go black. I'm itching to go black. Cause then it would be easier for me to grow my hair out and get back to like pixie look. But I'm just like, okay, maybe for the winter time because my birthday's coming up and I don't know how I could not be platinum. You know what I mean? Like Once you go platinum, it's hard to go back. But I don't know, I think in the winter it's giving black. But let me know what you guys think. But now that my hair is all cut off, it's time for me to go in with some Vaseline. This is your best friend. I'm kind of running low. Just gonna put some on the perimeter of my hand because this bleach likes to fall. Put some on my ears, all on my ear, back of my ear, that nape. And then I like to go in and put some more on my like hairline, like the beginning portion of my hair, because my hair is a little bit more sensitive. I also have seborrheic dermatitis, so I get flare-ups, and recently I had a flare-up, so my scalp is a little flaky and dry. I wanted to grease my hair last night, but last time I did that, it was really difficult for me to cut my hair, so I didn't do it. So I just recommend, if you have a dry scalp, to try to do that ahead of time. I got busy and forgot, but I'm doing it now. A lot of people are like, don't do that, you're manipulating your scalp. I understand. It's a risk that I gotta take. Like, I gotta at least risk and put this on my scalp to have some type of barrier a little bit, and manipulate it a little bit because it's gonna sting anyway. But there's this girl that puts Sweet and Low in her bleaching powder, and apparently it helps. I haven't tried that yet, but now that I'm a little grease ball, let's go in, mix up this bleaching powder that I'm super excited about. So you wanna make sure that you have a bowl. Going in with these. I'm so excited. I am so excited to use this bleaching powder. She thick as fuck. So let's put a little bit more, because we like being thick, but not that thick. Ooh. We like being thick, but not that thick. This thing really thickens up for real. This is the consistency I kind of like. So it's a little bit thicker than what I usually do, but I think I'm okay with that. We're gonna do the front today. People say don't do this. I'm sorry, I am. I'm gonna use my hands to make sure it's in there because I have a bit more left. And I wanna make sure, because I'm coloring my hair from black to platinum, I need to make sure that every last bit of hair is covered with this. And I feel like it's not fully penetrated. So I was gonna try to not use my hands for this process, but I am. This is why it's my hair and I'm doing what I wanna do. You do what you wanna do at the crib. But at this house, this is what I'm doing. And until I find a way that is better, then yeah. So all you licensed cosmetologists, whatever, I hear you. I do listen to you guys and try to get some feedback, but take it easy, at ease. At ease, my kings and queens, because they're the worst. Good thing it's my hair. Good thing it's my scalp. Good thing it's my risk. Good thing it's me and not you. You know, this is what I'm doing. I'm not a professional. This is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you what to do at home. I'm showing you what I do at home. If you got it, go to a professional. I am not a professional. I'm a professional for Anosha. This is Anosha's artistry, okay? I'm hoping I won't have to bleach it again, but if I do, that's what we'll just have to do. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit on my head for about 30 minutes. In the past, I'll sit under the dryer, but we'll just let this sit on my head for about 30 to 40 minutes. A lot of people say that bleach only takes 30 minutes to process. And I don't know if I'll sit under the dryer. If I do, it'll be like 5 minutes, but I know that I have this on. That is the feedback that I have received, so I'm gonna try it. And if I don't get the platinum that I want, I will be bleaching my hair again. That's what I do. Me. So let's clean up and I'll be back. Okay, I did not sit underneath the dryer. And this has been on for like 45 minutes. I don't think it turned my hair from what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna have to bleach my hair again. So I'm gonna go and wash it out. And I'm gonna use these two products by Kinks Coils. This is the conditioner. This is the shampoo. I think the first round I'm gonna go in with this and wash the hair with the Shimmer Lights purple, just to see if it helps. So let me go wash my hair and come back. Conditioner on my head. I'm about to bleach this whole again. So my hair did not. Oh God. All right. So it is what it is. But what I will say so far from using this product, my hair did not really burn like that at all during the whole process. I like the color. It's not even as yellow as it usually is when I use the other one, but I like how my hair feels from it. But I'm gonna just make another mixture and put some more dye on. Like I said before, this is what I do. Yes, I'm bleaching back to back. It's me. It's what I do. Mix this up. I'm not gonna hold you. This shit burns bad as fuck right now.
Oh my God.
Probably like the worst burning I've had since doing this the second time. $20 minutes. All right, so this is how my hair is looking after bleaching it twice. I didn't keep it in as long. I'm gonna try to tone it, and if not, this is the color that we're going with. It's not my typical, it's not too white like how I like it, but whatever. Today I'm gonna try going in with 10 Developer to tone it so it's not as harsh. Going in with the Wella 18 by Color Charm T18. I might put like a little bit of 20 Developer in there.
I've been thinking about you. Do you think about yourself? Do you? Or do you not think so far? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. about you. You know, no, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come.
Once I was done styling my hair, I sat underneath the dryer for a little bit, and this is how it was looking afterwards. I loved how it looked after I toned my hair. It was beautiful, and this is me all done up. Yeah, I wasn't looking like how I was looking before, period. Okay, this is how I was looking when I was ready to step out. But I love the turnout. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and I hope this video helps and inspires some future bald baddies. See y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.